Hi, Mike.
Hi, Justin.
All right, we're going in the shed here to see more parts to the 911 that we'll show you in a second. We're just gonna come in here and see what we got. Oh, there's the seats. Oh yeah, they're not in bad shape.
It's the best part of the car.
Might be. Might not be the cleanest, but might be the stinkiest.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
a little stinky in here.
Hey guys, we're in the shop. This is a little different than what I normally do, but I like doing stuff like this. We're going to do a seat restoration. These are original Recaro 911 seats from, I believe, 68, 69 to 71. They put these in the car. They're special order only. And they're in pretty good shape. They were found in a barn, a shed. Found in a shed under a bunch of Chevy square body parts. That one has a rip in the bolster, but this one seems pretty good. This is the passenger seat, and this is the driver's seat. That makes sense why that would be ripped, because it's the driver's seat. But everything else seems to be pretty good. I mean, there's some rust on the runners and that sort of thing, and we'll restore that later. But what I want to do is clean these up. They're covered in mold and dirt and dust, and I have a few products that work pretty good on this stuff. One of them being vinegar. So we can get you in over there and we can get a little look at these seats. All right, we'll get in closer here. You'll see there's a lot of rust down in here. A lot of rust in here. Now, I want to take all this off and paint it. We'll sandblast it and paint it and lube everything up so it works good. Same, on this seat too. This is the worst of it. You can see the frame in there. This is where someone got in and out of the car. These are vinyl. They are not leather. They came vinyl. And you could get these in any 911. It didn't just come in like an S model. You could get them in a 911T, an E, or an S. These happen to be in a T. These were ordered in a T, a 71 911T. So, and again, these are in a little better shape over here. This seat was in a different spot. I think it was in a drier area, or not such a bad area. When I got them, they were crushed. I mean, they had dents and dings in them, and I put them out in the sun, softened them up, and it popped everything out of them, which is good. So we're gonna get these cleaned. You can see the mold. Look at this, the mold in here. That's mold all down in there. So what we're gonna do is use some vinegar to kind of clean them up, just to clean the mold off and kind of disinfect that. It works pretty good. I just use vinegar and water. I just put it in a spray bottle. It's not wheel cleaner anymore. And I got a few other products over here. We got some leather cleaner and some saddle soap, actually, which kind of really gets in there and really does a great job cleaning, and use a scrub brush. So we'll get after these and see if we can clean them up, make them look sort of like new. Better than they are. I think they're going to look very, very good. So, use some shop towels at first. When we really get in cleaning, we use some microfiber. We're just going to let this kind of get on there, and this is the worst of them. Look, it doesn't want to stick to it. This is vinegar and water. I like to use these bottles just because they froth a little bit for the wheel cleaner. It gives a little air in there, so yeah, these are gross. I think we should leave that one there and just kind of get an idea what this really looks like once we hit it with some saddle soap. This stuff's amazing. This revives it. This is what they use on saddles. For horses, horse saddles. Smells really good too. Smell it? Mmm. You want to put a good amount on, especially something that hasn't seen any kind of... Let's see if we get this rust out. Seen anything for moisture in years. You'll see it start to kind of pull stuff away. Rub it. Get in those seams, get around all that. Up there, that back seam. So far, so good, huh? Those look great. And that's the crappy seat. Woo! Get this headrest. Those are nice. We haven't even treated them with any kind of vinyl treatment or anything. I mean, they're still pretty dry. You can see they would stay like when they kind of keep the form because they're still kind of dry. It's better. I mean, that's drying. That's getting pretty close. I use this leather honey. This stuff's pretty good. And they're not leather. You can use it on vinyl too. And then, like I said, the saddle soap. And this is a quick leather detail. That works pretty good. It smells nice too. So I think what we'll do is let this dry off a little bit. And then we'll hit it with some of that leather honey. Oh, I didn't get the back. Look at the difference of these two. We're not even done cleaning this up. And look at this. This is disgusting. That's all mold. We did clean the back on that. But even that one's even better. That's after the saddle soap. Let's clean this with some vinegar. It's not even going to want to stick to it. Oh, a little bit. Crevices in there. There's some grossness in there. Spider eggs, mouse poop, all the stuff that us car guys like. Put some leather honey on here. I know they're vinyl, but the leather honey works on it. I'm gonna get some of the moisture back in these seats. this stuff. It's really sticky, like honey. Just move it around. Just kind of massage it in. They're really dry. They take a lot. Like these are really, really dry. There you have it. You're supposed to buff that off. That stuff is gooey, gooey, gooey. Definitely wear gloves. You can kind of get it kind of rubbed in there, really into the vinyl. I'm gonna be really careful with these. These are really super dry. I'm gonna let them sit for a little while. I always say put them in the sun. Really kind of bakes them when you gotta buff it off. But that seat looks really good. So, guess we'll do the other seat. Hopefully I have enough honey. Get a little extra in those seams. They sound a little crunchy. Oh, these are so much better. It actually moves around. See how much more valuable this is now? Doesn't like, still got a little bit of memory, but. Oh, these are nice. This is the nice seat. So we've let the other seat's over there. I haven't wiped that one down. We let this sit, probably an hour. And we're just gonna wipe it down. There's some lint in here from that rag I used. You're supposed to use a lint-free rag, but it's all right. Just gonna wipe down a little bit. I usually let them sit, like I said, out in the sun or overnight. Hour or two is good. We're just gonna get an idea what these look like, and I might reapply and let them sit overnight. But this is pretty awesome what they look like right now, I would say. I'm very happy with them. Honestly, I thought they'd come out good, but I didn't think they'd come out this good. Yeah, those are nice. Whew. Big difference, huh guys? A little elbow grease, some vinegar, saddle soap, and some leather honey. Yes, sir. Okay, I just buffed it off. It's been, I don't know, probably an hour and a half now, and I buffed a little bit more off, and yeah, she's looking really nice. This is obviously this is the passenger seat. We'll just do a quick walk around of it. The other one is down here on the floor. That one I'm gonna let soak a little longer overnight. That one's over here. See how much shinier it is? It's funny, that one wasn't as dirty, but the vinyl is really dry on that one. So I think the mold actually maybe kept a little more moisture in this. But man, this cleaned up so nice. Thanks for watching, guys. I will tell you that there's a video on the car that these seats came out of. I picked up the whole car, and stay tuned for that one. That's a good one. And wait till you see that. She's interesting. Let's just say that. But keep looking look for that one. But I thought I'd do these first. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you what's coming up in the next few weeks. This is the car that those seats came out of or came with. There's a 71 911 Targa. It's in rough shape. The video is going to consist of us getting it out of there, going through it, see what it came with, and then our ideas for this car. Should we save it? Should we not save it? Should we part it out? Or what should I do with it? It is a 71. It's an early car. It's neat that I found it where I did, and the condition it's in is a little rough. Underneath isn't bad, but again, we'll go over that, show you the car up on the lift and all that, and it's got some neat things. And yeah, just check it out. It'll be probably next week or the week after. All right, take care, guys. Thanks for watching, and again, please subscribe.